It's Dominic here making another daily video. So basically, the purpose of this type of content is to just give you a ton of value right off the bat. And if you find it valuable, then you would kind of consider working with me one-on-one, right? Now, today's topic is going to be about the YouTube algorithm, which is one of the most crucial knowledge about YouTube automation. Because if you understand how the YouTube algorithm works, then you understand how to make your content go viral, right? And so I call this graph the viral engine for that reason. Now, this graph is I took this graph straight from one of my paid course, and so I'm just going to give it away to you for completely free today. Now, the YouTube algorithm, you can understand it as a pattern recognizing machines, but I'm going to split it into three phases for you to better understand how the YouTube algorithm works. The first phase is the initial test, right? So you as a creator going to create a piece of content, right? And then you push it to the YouTube platform. And now in the initial test, basically just like the name, YouTube is going to initially testing, like create a small test on your piece of content to see if it's eligible to be promoted. Now, what is the test? YouTube is going to look at the context of that piece of content that you created. Well, that's a very bad hand-drawn arrow. YouTube is going to look at the context of the content that you created and also the context of the user watch history, right? To see if there any type of content that is similar to your content. And so if there are user within your niche, right, then it's going to push to a small batch of viewers to see how their feedback is, right? And so what are the feedback that YouTube are looking at? It's the CTR and the AVD. CTR basically means click-through rate. AVD basically means average view duration. And if both of them is low, then it's just going to push to a lower amount of viewers, or maybe none at all, right? And your content just kind of stall, right? But if your content is high, then it moves to the first promotion, right? And this is what we call the second phase, which is the first promotion. YouTube is going to push your content to a wider audience within similar niche, but also people within other niches, right? To see how your content performs in different areas. And based on the feedback of this wider group of people, once again, it looks at the CTR and the AVD. It's going to move you to a second promotion if your content still performs highly, right? And within this second promotion is the third phase, which I call the cascade effects, where your content just keep performing well with different groups of people, and just down the lines, YouTube just push it to more and more people, right? And that's basically how you get virality. Yeah, that's it.